Hi, my name is Joseph Orlbach. I head the technical support for Rapid Recess, and I would like to talk to you about our kit that allows for lowering subfloors for curbless showers for linear drains that will be installed at the back wall. Here we have a model that shows that situation. Here's your bathroom floor that's going to be recessed by 11/16 of an inch for most of the shower pan, and another inch drop will be achieved at the linear drain to account for the linear drain depth right here. What we are doing with this is allowing this surface to be flush with your sloping that goes from the drain up to the bathroom floor, and still being able to be flush here. The kit was designed to be installed for shower pans up to 25 square feet, so 5x5, 6x4s, and the main reason for this kit is that everything can be installed from above without access from below the subfloor, and it can be installed or any floor joists, standard lumber, I-joists, or trusses without cutting into them or notching them. That's the most important part. We don't cut or notch the floor joists when we are using our subfloor lowering kits. Here we have all our brackets, parameter brackets that we call Z brackets and M brackets for the standard recess of 11/16 of an inch. And here in this deeper bay, what we call LM and LZ brackets that are 1 inch deeper than the regular brackets. You can see the difference here. And this extra depth accounts for the depth of the drain body, of the linear drain body. So this way you can do 25 square feet of curbless shower with linear drain at the back wall when your floor joists are running parallel to the shower entry without cutting or notching the floor joists. So if you have any questions about this kit or any other curbless shower installation, please call us or shoot us an email.